Hi guys, it's Tom here from Sneaks and Heat. Been a little while since I've done a video. Shoes have been a bit hard to come by at the minute. But yeah, come back with a couple today. So first we've got the Jordan 11, and this is the 7210. Obviously these always come out around the Christmas holiday time. The official colours is black, gym red, white and anthracite. So standard Jordan 11 box, but it's black on black with red sort of metallic. Found these pretty hard to get into last time I tried to have a look. So you're met with the 11 plastic cover. It's the XI. There you go. And underneath, you've got your carbon fibre wrap. Now, these are wrapped up, and there you have the 11s. Get the other one out. Lovely. So, here we go then. Now for the 11s this year, they've done this isn't actually a colour. This is a colourway, and they've got white at the bottom, black and red carbon fibre plate. It's normally what we'd say. I would say when they say icy blue, this is the like icy ice at the bottom. So it's a white sole with black at the bottom as well. Then you've got the this is like, I would say this is like stingray material or stingray pattern on here. You can see it's shiny patent leather. Red chrome Jumpman. And they've got like, I would say this bit over here is like an equivalent to like tech fleece. At the back, you can see, if I can get the focus right, not quite. Anyway, so there's 23 at the back as well, as usual. And then here, they've got all leather, oh, not the camera, all leather upper with the tongue and the top part of the shoe. So yeah, here's the Jordan 11 7210s. I really like this shoe. It's one of my favourites. I like the Pantone ones better from last year compared to they came from the Gift of Flight compared to the like Columbia or the Legend Blue ones. But these are really nice, and I think I might be able to get you from a better angle from over here. The light looks a bit better. There you go. So as you can see that leather upper. Go to the Jumpman and the stingray around there. Very nice. Right then, it's been Tom. Coming at you another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you soon.